Hey you guys, I'm officially back in New York City and today we're filming a super fun video. Today I'm gonna go to the Glossier Flagship and see what it looks like inside. I actually have been there twice already. It's pretty cool. But a lot of you guys have always requested like, hey, the Glossier Flagship is in New York City. Bring us there. I wanna see what's inside. So today we're gonna do that. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright you guys, we're here, we're at Glossier, and you guys know, or you can tell because of the pink handle on the door. And here you guys can actually do like store pickups. And then you take these stairs. You guys, how cute is this little corner right here? We have the chairs and then the flowers. You'll see these a lot over this around the whole store. It's so cute. Now let's just walk in, and here we are, the room where you can see all the products, test them out. Oh my gosh you guys, they have so many products to choose from. Their cloud paint, the holoscope, which is like, looks like a stick highlighter, liquid highlighter, some of their skincare products. At this one, it looks like they have some of their eye pencils, glitter eyeshadows, and let's just kind of walk around. Oh my gosh, my friend actually picked up the birthdaybalm.com and she said she loved it. I think, yeah, these like come in different flavors. We have mint, mango, coconut, rose, the universal one, the balm one. I think that was the original one. Berry, cherry, so cool. And here's another table. They just have a bunch of tables with a lot of their products where you can test out, try, look at. You guys, I adore Glossier's packaging. Like, it is like no other. It's so cute. It's so simple, but so cute at the same time. I hope that makes sense. Also, you'll find at each table they have the cotton pads, makeup removers, and then these little, I don't know what you call them, but it's what you can use to apply on mascara. Try it out, which I had no idea they had their own mascara until recently. Here's another table, but yeah, usually all the tables kind of have the similar products. They just know, you know, to like spread it out, give you your time to try out the products. Alright, so I'm about to leave the room. Looks like they have a couch for people to sit at. But then over here, you guys, look at this photo of the room. The theme is their cloud paint, and you literally feel like you're in Athens. Alright, I'm trying to get no one's face in this. But how cool is this room? And then they have this big mirror right here where you can take a cute picture. But yeah, so they have this room. And then here is a washroom where you can wash off any of the products that you just tried out, as well as try out their skincare products such as the Milk Jelly Cleanser. So cool. Like basically, can I just do my makeup here?
It's like super heavy.
Oh, you guys, so I just learned that Glossier has their own perfume. So this is the liquid form, the little red caps, and then we have the solid form, which you just put in your purse, and it looks like this. It is so cool. I love the clasp. And then we have this daily oil wash, and then the body hero. So cool. Alright you guys, and here's a quick overview of the store. So cute. And you guys, they have mirrors here everywhere. So if you want to just see what your product looks like, whatever you try, and take you pictures, and yeah. Hey you guys, so I am back from the Glossier Flagship store. Y'all, how cute is that store? I hope you guys enjoyed seeing like what it looks like inside. Hope you guys felt like you were right there with me, because you were. And also I did end up getting some stuff, but I will be filming a separate video for that because we got a bunch of goodies. And you guys, if you ever purchase anything, it'll come in this little cute pink clear bag. They are just the cutest with their packaging. So cute. So anyways, definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a girl a thumbs up if you did. And if you guys want to see more of this face and that haul, definitely make sure to press the subscribe button down below. It's red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Wait. Pause. I totally forgot to tell you guys their checkout process because y'all, the last 2 times that I went before this one time, I got very confused. All my friends were like, how do we check out? Like, who, what? So, a lot of the Glossier employees will be around in the main room to answer any of your questions, but that's also who you check out with. So just find any of them. They're in a light pink jumper. So cute, by the way. And just literally tell them, hey, I'm ready to check out. This is what I want to buy. Tell them the products, the names, and etc. And then they'll send it over. They like all have an iPad with them. They'll send it over to the next room, which is literally the room or the area, the lobby, right before you walk into the main room, and that's where you pick up your bag full of goodies. It's so cute. It's such a cute process. I guess it also just avoids like creating a long line and stuff like that. Maybe. But anyways, I hope you guys again enjoyed this video. Give a girl a thumbs up if you did. I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!